This is a 2024 Honda Pilot, fourth generation model year, started in 2023. And I'm going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance reminder, the message that pops up every time you start the car. It's really annoying. Now, if you change the oil yourself, just the act of changing the oil will not reset this reminder. You're going to need to do it in the home screen here, so it's pretty easy if you're not home. Hit that home button in the upper left and then scroll to the right here once. Click on Vehicle Settings, and then you're going to want to scroll to the right. Click on Maintenance Info. Now you can see oil life 10% gives that B1 indicator. And in order to reset this, you just want to click Select Reset Items. And I have a few here, so I'm just going to click on Oil and Filter. Would you like to reset maintenance information? I'm not going to reset it right now because I did not change my oil, but of course you would just hit that reset button. And that's all you need to do to reset the annoying oil indicator on your Honda Pilot. Now I'm pretty sure this message pops up around 15% oil life, and the dealership of course wants you to call them right away to schedule a maintenance appointment, but you know, you can obviously get a little more time out of it than that. They just want to get the most money out of you as possible. But yeah, if you change your oil yourself, that message will not automatically change. So you're going to have to come in here and reset it yourself. Thanks for watching.